Thank you for watching today's ScanDecor Pro Tip video. Today we're going to show you how to get into the thumb cut binding style. It might be getting close to calendar season for you and you're getting those requests. So today is our goal is to show you an entry-level way to get into that and be able to do that in your shop. So for example, I have the ScanDecor calendar. And as you can see, it has the thumb cut style for the calendar hanger. What that is you have the thumb cut here in your piece of paper, and then you have two sections of the binding wire, and then you have the calendar hanger in the middle. So to cut that thumb cut out of the piece of paper, we do have an entry-level way of doing that, and that's our heavy-duty manual corner rounder. So this unit is in our catalog. You can find the pricing in there. And then there's two attachments that you buy with this machine to do the thumb cut. So we have designed a thumb cut die that fits in this machine, and then you get the paper guide for the thumb cut. So this is to run your sheets up against, this is to cut the thumb cut, and then you can complete this type of pattern on the paper and do your thumb cuts. This process works really well if you have the need for short run calendars. It's a good way to get into it. And then if you want to get more commercial, a lot of our modular punching machines, you can get a die for those devices where it just electronically comes down and cuts out that thumb cut. So feel free to contact the sales team here anytime, and we would love to see what options fit your needs. Thank you.